Hello friends, welcome to the first part of the resistors presentation series. This part explains the organization and contents of the presentations in this series. These presentations aim to provide an overview on the most widely used electronic component, a resistor. The resistors presentation series is divided into 7 parts. Part 1 deals with the organization and contents of the presentations. Part 2 is the resistor basics. Part 3 explains the resistors classification and linear resistors classification. Part 4 deals with nonlinear and special type resistors. Part 5 explains estimation and measurement of resistance value. Part 6 explains the resistors in circuits. Part 7 deals with the standard values, non-ideal properties, failure mechanisms, selection and application of resistors. This part is an introductory presentation to point towards the contents of the presentations 2 to 7 in the resistors presentation series. Each slide of this presentation portrays the topics which are explained in the respective presentations. This will enable the viewer to find and target to the presentation with his intended topics. The topics for discussion in part 2 are Introduction to resistors, reason for electrical resistance and energy dissipation, the water analogy of resistor, factors affecting the resistance, geometric factors affecting the resistance, material factors affecting the resistance, effect of temperature on resistance, major electrical specifications of a resistor, and resistor VA characteristics. The topics for discussion in part 3 are classification of resistors, overview of resistor classification, resistor classification based on power, mounting, tolerance, temperature coefficient and VA characteristics, classification of linear resistors, classification of fixed resistors, introduction to variable resistors, construction of variable resistor, types of variable resistors. Part 4 deals with nonlinear and special type of resistors. The major nonlinear resistor types are thermistors, light dependent resistors, voltage dependent resistors, magnetic dependent resistors, strain gauges, and humidity resistors. The special type resistors include flex resistors, liquid rheostats, water resistors, grid resistors, and integrated resistors. The topics for discussion in part 5 are color coding of resistors, 4-band resistor color code, resistor color code chart, reading color code, the tolerance concept, how to remember the color code, prefixes for resistance value, resistor shorthand, color coding of resistors under 10 ohm, color coding of precision resistors, color coding of 0 ohm resistors, alphanumeric coding system of resistors, chip resistor coding system, industrial type designation, measuring with ohm meters, precautions in measuring with ohm meters. The topics for discussion in part 6 are resistors in series, series circuit as voltage divider, resistors in parallel, parallel circuit as current divider, simplification of complex resistive circuit using series parallel combination, reduction of resistor network, simplification of complex resistive circuits using Y delta transformation, energy and power concept in DC resistor circuits, important formula triangles for resistors, formula pie chart for resistors, resistors in DC and AC circuits. The topics for discussion in part 7 are standard resistor values, standard values of resistors for E24 series, Non-ideal properties of resistors, equivalent circuit of resistor, skin effect of resistors, noise associated with the resistors, the failure mechanism of resistors, selection of resistors, use of resistors in circuit, and resistor applications.